Okay.
Hi, Dad. Hi.
What did we build?
Come on. We built a doorbell that rings once and twice.
Okay. And where did we get the parts from?
We got the parts from Axeman and Basin.
And what's it powered by?
And it's powered by AC voltage, as you can see with this cord.
But isn't that unsafe?
But isn't that unsafe? Oh no, it's safe. We got a grounded cord, and we got a transformer inside this box.
So what voltage does the circuit actually work on? The outside circuit. Do you remember?
This voltage actually works on 16 volts.
Okay. So the outside voltage is only 16 volts. Okay. Our project for today is done.